Accenture's been involved in the Internet of Things in some form over the last decade, whether it's mobile, cloud, analytics. But officially, Accenture's been working in industrial internet for the last 3 years, really kicking off with our co-authoring of the World Economic Forum report. Well, we really focused the platform of what Internet of Things needs, and in particular, industrial Internet of Things. That means the security needed to connect edge devices, heterogeneous edge devices, bring that data in, analyze it at scale along with enterprise data, and then to feedback the decisions, whether it's to outcomes that the business user does, and then ultimately to connect the loop back to the edge. Well, for example, at one of our oil and gas clients, they have a large plant, where in this plant there's not just tens of models or hundreds of models, there's over 3,500 models that run in parallel, and these models are producing real-time results at the order of every 3,500 messages per second. And these models are being used to predict more accurately the plant operations, and they're able to improve the plant operations by 35%. The industry that seems most ripe for industrial Internet of Things includes some of our more industrial enterprises, things like resources, things like products. So in fact, this is a place where these traditionally non-internet companies can make very great strides. I think the three key issues in innovation and technology for Internet of Things come from really adapting a business-first approach. So one is really that business first, thinking about the outcome, as opposed to thinking about a technology-first project, thinking about what is it going to actually solve, what is the business outcome. Then two, things that drive back through that is how do I enable it? So things like getting the right data, getting the right security features. And then finally, then technology does come into play and thinking about what is your differentiator. So driving back again to the business again. What is your product differentiator compared to others in this space? The Internet of Things Solutions World Congress is very important to Accenture. As you know, we've been participating last year and this year, each year as a top sponsor. And I've presented and had the opportunity to present both years, and it's been a great forum, again, to bring the business and the technology stakeholders together needed to solve this space.